Open the cover. Let's begin removing the easier parts. Remove the cover of the paper feed rollers. Remove the paper cassette. It has two tabs in this position. Using a flat screwdriver, lift up the tabs. Slide and remove the paper cassette. The upper part of the paper cassette has two hooks. This one, the other one is here. Lift up the hooks. Remove the cover of the paper cassette. This is the paper pickup rollers assembly. If you need to remove it, in the description you will find a video about this topic. It's not necessary to remove the paper cassette. Remove the ink cartridges only when needed and if needed. If you leave the cartridges out of the printer too much time, the ink inside the nozzle may dry out, clogging the printhead. To remove the scanner unit, you have to release this lever in this way. Let's remove the upper cover. There are 13 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The position and the number of the screws may vary, depending on the model of your printer. The problem is that you will need a special screwdriver, a star-type screwdriver. Hewlett-Packard does not like someone repair their printers. Remove the screws. In this video I'll show you only the disassembly of the printer, not the reassembly. Reassemble the printer in reverse order. I'll provide you with details of each part of the printer. You can use them for reference. The screws are all of the same shape and size. Remove the left side panel. It has hooks. Here you can see the hooks. The hooks of the panel are inserted into the appropriate slots on the printer. The side panel is inserted in a tab in the front cover. This is the hole of the side panel. Remove the other side panel in the same way. Release the tab on the front cover. A side view of the printer. Now remove the front cover. It is blocked by this pin. You will reinsert it in the same way. Detach the flat cable of the scanner unit. It is connected with the main board. Remove the lever of the scanner unit. This is how it works. Now we will remove the scanner unit. It has two tabs blocking the support. You have to press the hooks on the tab in the center. Hewlett Packard doesn't like easy things. It's easier to remove it with the pliers and then pry it off with a screwdriver. Now, in the back of the printer, remove the two covers. If you break a pin, it's not a disaster. There's another pin here. It's held in place by a pulley. This is the pulley. We need to unhook it. It's easier to do with this tool. There you go. To explain better, this is the pulley. It needs to be attacked like this. Detach this cable. Remove the top cover of the printer. You will reinstall it in the same way. Remove the scanner unit. I will explain you how to disassemble the scanner unit in another video. It's inserted here. A close look to the printer for your reference. This is the main board or control board. Remove all its cables. Remove the screw. Unhook the main board and remove it. This is the Wi-Fi board. For your reference, remove the support of the main board. This is the power supply. This is the encoder strip. Look at the position of the arrow and the black dot. It's inserted in the sensor of the cartridge holder. To remove the encoder strip, detach it from the side. Remove the metal plate of the encoder strip. It is inserted here. Now we will remove the side bottom covers, left and right. It has two hooks. One of them is here. The other one is in the bottom. Same on the other side. Detach the hooks. Lift up the cover, then slide forward and remove it. It has two tabs. You see them. The tabs are inserted in the slot here. Do the same on the other side. Now you have access to the gears and the encoder wheel, this transparent wheel. This is the photo sensor of the encoder wheel. Now we will remove the cartridge holder. We have to remove several screws. The number and the position of the screws may vary depending on the printer model. Two screws are here. Another one is here. Another one. And another one. Take note of the position of the flat cable. Remove the cartridge holder assembly. This is the Carriage motor. If you want to remove it, remove the two screws. The metal shaft has a spring and the metal ring on both sides. Remove them. Slide the metal shaft. The removal of the paper feed rollers may be difficult, but if you need to remove them, remove the screws of the metal plate. This is the position of the screws. You can now remove it. Here there are two flag sensors. They detect the passage of the sheet. If you have a false paper jam, maybe one of them is broken. These are the wasting pads. They are glued. However, it is not necessary to change them. Hewlett-Packard printers don't have the same problems as Epson printers. That's all.